All right, welcome back to Week in Prime Business. As the festive season is ushered in, Kenya and East Africa's leading food processor, Unga Limited, has officially launched a roadshow dubbed Sherehekea Unga Limited to bring its products closer to its consumers. The roadshow is aimed at ensuring its customers experience their offerings in real time and have first-hand interactions with the food processor. This is in partnership with Standard Media Group and will also be used as a platform to seek feedback from consumers on what improvements can be made. The series of roadshows that will span from across Nairobi and its environs during the month of November is introducing Pendo wheat flour as well as Hodari maize flour.
We are taking our products to the market so that our consumers can experience real time what we have in offer for them. At Unga Limited, we say the consumer is a king. The consumer ndiyo mfalme. We listen to candid feedback that is coming from the market and what our consumers are saying about our products so that we can make them better. Each and every time we receive that feedback, we go back to the lab, we go back to our production centers and make improvements so that we continue to make sure that the consumer is experiencing these products and taking them to the next level. This is on behalf of the consumer, tunasherehekea na customers wetu as Unga Limited.
We are indeed excited today to be flagging off this countrywide roadshow in partnership with Unga. Our flagship project for this is Radio Maisha, which is one of the leading Swahili radio stations. So we are going to be traversing the entire country in this roadshow as we sell Unga, but also as we bring Radio Maisha closer to you. Our top presenters, our top talents will be on ground to meet you, interact with the listeners, of course, as we also share Unga together.
East Africa, together with